Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This one comes with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, anthracite poplar wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with surround view backup cameras with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, our different driving modes. This GLE has 23,928 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.